name is Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review on products provided by LottaBody. So LottaBody was kind enough to send me over their new collection. And this is what I achieved. So if you'd like to see how I got this big, beautiful, fluffy braid out, keep watching. My hair is freshly rinsed. I just wet my hair under the sink. And the first product I'll be using is Hydrate Me Moisturizing Shampoo. It says it moisturizes and deep cleans hair, strengthens and helps prevent breakage, detangles and adds shine. So in my spray bottle I just have water. But I will say this shampoo does moisturize my hair. And I say that because you'll be able to see me working the shampoo all the way through to the end of my hair strands. If it was a harsher shampoo, I wouldn't be able to do that. I would just keep it at the root of my hair. But since it was so moisturizing, I was able to carry the shampoo all the way down to the end of my hair. It felt really good. It smelled good. It gave a good lather. I really do like this shampoo. Actually, this is how I shampoo my hair most of the time, at the table, because my hair is getting longer and it takes too long to sit under a sink. My back starts to hurt, so I just sit at my table with a spray bottle and a shampoo. And if you keep seeing me glance over, I'm watching something on TV. I can't remember what it was. It probably was the ID channel, knowing me. I'm going to continue to shampoo the other 3 sections of my hair off camera, and I'll be back. So off camera, I went ahead and conditioned my hair with the new LottaBody conditioner with coconut and shea oil. Hydrate Me Moisturizing Conditioner. So the next 2 products I'm going to go in with is the Fortify Me Strengthening Leave-In Conditioner. So this conditioner says it strengthens and conditions and helps prevent breakage, detangles and adds shines. And also it's for all hair types. And you got to give it a shake. Good shake, shake, shake to activate. So you gotta shake it before you use it. Looks like water. The final product from LottaBody I'll be using today is the Activate Me Curl Activator. Again, it says it moisturizes and defines curls, refreshes curls and coils, tame frizz and adds shine. This whole line smells amazing. It smells like coconuts, which I absolutely love. And this activator is really thick. I actually used too much product in this video, so try to go a little light with the products. Don't go as heavy-handed as I did. So hopefully when I do the takedown, I won't have a lot of buildup, or my hair won't be weighed down, because my hair was really... yeah, I had too much product in my hair. My hair is completely dry. Grab any oil of your choice. Lightly coat your finger. And just start to unravel. Okay. Look pretty good. I didn't even start using my pick yet. I'm just gonna go in with my pick. Cute, cute, cute. Alright, so let's do a recap of all the products that I used today. All the products I tried today is my first time trying them, so of course I would have to try them over a period of time to see if I really, you know, love them or really like them. But this is my first impression of all the products. So for their shampoo, I like it. I would definitely try it again. This is LottaBody's Hydrate Me Moisturizing Conditioner. So this one would be my least favorite out of everything that I tried today. So I'm start with the pros. The pros, it has great slip. It helped me to detangle my hair. It was nice and slippery. I really did like that. The con is, I think my scalp had an allergic reaction to it. As soon as I put it in my scalp, it started working through, my scalp felt funny. It was like tingly, but it wasn't like a good minty tingly. It was like an irritation. So it felt good on my hair strands, but on my scalp, no, it was a no. So I wouldn't use this again. I'm not sure what exactly had my scalp feeling like that. It's a lot of ingredients in here. Some of them I can't pronounce. So I'm not even sure which one exactly had my scalp irritated. But yeah, I wouldn't use this again. So no to the conditioner. For the leave-in was very, very light leave-in spray. If you're looking for a really light leave-in conditioner, this is for you. Especially right now for the summertime, like I said in the video, I like light leave-in conditioners depending on what type of style I'm using in my hair. And for the scent, this one, everything else smelled really potent, it smelled really coconut, strong like coconut scent. This one was really, really light. And for the last product, I was super heavy-handed with the Activate Me Curling Activator. So I would say go light with this. It was very, very rich and very, very thick. I like the way it felt on my hair. I think I want to try this again with just doing a wash and go or maybe a twist out and use less product. I used too much product, but it still turned out pretty good. You see that definition? So if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Babe, come give me a kiss. Oh. I like it.
Like it?
Yeah.
I look good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Except for the couple days, yeah.
Are you trying to put me on?
I'm not gonna put you on recording.